day tomorrow, but nothing big. Today we are going to Utah for the weekend. I'm so excited. I'm going to be going with my husband's family. It's currently 8 in the morning and we just finished packing. So we're going to get on the road and get going. Yeah. What do you want to say?
They call me Mr. Maldonado. I was supposed to say something. Oh. I was going to give a thumbs up for like Google or something.
Oh my gosh. Probably. We made it to the lake. These fools.
Hey, what?
Just kidding, not you, baby. This fool right here.
What's going on? They don't know that we know about niggas.
Wait,
you don't have to
introduce yourself because they don't know you.
Well, I am Jacob Maldonado. My full name, right?
Yeah.
I'm born in August 15th.
Okay, wait, hold on. And then this is my husband. Everybody knows my husband already.
What else should I say?
He's marrying my cousin. Marrying.
Yeah. Not predictable at all.
Right.
Bro, they're like, hey, I got someone to introduce you to. And I was like, all right, let's go. 2 years later.
Yep,
Yeah,
they're getting married.
We kept telling your husband about you before you met her.
I know, I remember that. That's so
Hype
true.
me up, huh?
Yeah.
Nah, bro. And I was doing like little pokes of flirts, you know, and everything. You know,
Look at him!
It worked so
goodness.
good.
That's so funny.
You know what the guys say? The guys say that we closed that lady. Oh, that means. Hey, look, there's a dog right there.
You have her in Discovery. Oh.
Yeah.
We're here!
I forgot to put my wallet in the car. One second.
Anyway, we just got here to, what is it called? I don't know, we're in Utah.
St. George, Lake.
I don't know.
St. Hollow, there you go.
Okay, there, yeah.
St. Hollow Lake.
So we're here. We just got here. I think it's not that hot. No, it's actually, I think 85 degrees right now. And oh my gosh, look at this sand.
It's cold for Vegas people.
Yeah, right. Oh my gosh, so nice.
RIP my shoes.
No, it's dirt.
Honestly. So yeah. Anyway. Ew, it feels nasty actually. The sand. I mean, it's not that hot. It feels really nice outside.
You guys have no idea. I'm actually vlogging too.
My husband's vlogging as well. You're so cute. Oh my gosh. Like, Gil's family is right there. Over there. We're gonna go to them. Oh. Anyway, we're here. We just got to the resort.
How do you get to practice that? Like,
We just got here. Woo. Oh no. Look at how beautiful it is. Wow, it's so pretty. Anyway. Yay! Down to the lake. And now we're here together.
We're here to knock the heck out
Yeah.
and we're checking in.
Yeah, we need a nap. So bad. It's really windy out and the sun's a little hot, but it's enjoyable, right? Better than Vegas for sure.
By the way, I didn't say Happy 4th. Come on,
Happy
celebrate.
4th of July. I think I said it at the beginning, but it's fine. There's Jacob in the car.
Hey, let me watch my reels in peace, bro.
Hey, we're gonna go inside. I think Gil's parents are already in, but
Beautiful.
is it? Wow. Whew. Wow, pretty. Very, very pretty.
Wow.
So beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Look at all that stuff. We're only here for a day or two. Wait, 2 days. And look at all the stuff that we have. Oh my gosh. That's mean. This is what it looks like. So pretty. And this is our room. Give us a room tour.
Okay, so we got this white door, which is very tall, taller than me. And then when you come in, you see beds. There's
Wow.
1, 2, 3 beds. You can see a penguin over there.
Okay. And then
Let's record this. I don't know.
oh wow, look at the shower.
In the bottom by yourself.
Really pretty.
This hurts my feet. Oh, Litzi, this one is ours.
You can see the pool. And then it goes all the way over there. Wow. Pretty.
Even the trash things move.
You're so cute. Pretty. Oh, it's small. I thought it was a lot bigger. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. Okay, so while everybody is downstairs getting their stuff, I'm unpacking a little bit. I brought a lot of clothes, but it's because I like to have options for my outfits. So I'm gonna try to unpack and figure out what I'm gonna wear later today. I think right now we're just gonna shower and honestly take a nap because we went to the lake and we're all feeling a little dirty. So we're gonna take a shower, probably take a nap, and then prepare for dinner later. And then we're gonna go watch the fireworks. So it'll be really exciting. I think we're gonna go, oh, you can't see the pool. We were gonna go swimming, but I think we're probably gonna do that tomorrow or either later tonight. But it's so pretty outside and in here as well. So let's unpack. Okay, this is the clothes that I have. I have these white jeans that I just got from Target and this top from Gap, and then these pants and these. This is the only thing that I'm gonna unpack for right now. Too bright. Oh my gosh, it's like the sun hasn't gone down yet. It's almost, what, 7 p.m. We're matching! We're going on a walk. It's currently, I think, 8 something.
Yeah, it doesn't get dark until 9 or so here.
Yeah, look at how beautiful. Wow, that's so pretty. Hi, pretty, handsome
I'm not you.
boy. Good morning, it's July 5th and we are getting ready to check out. So I'm gonna get ready very quickly. I think go in town for a bit and then we're gonna eat something and then head home. It's only like a 2-hour drive, so it's really not that bad. But yeah, I woke up feeling a little bit sick. I feel like I have a little bit of a sore throat, which is not good. But yeah, we're gonna get ready and then we're gonna pack up everything and get ready to check out. We check out at 11, so I do have to hurry up. But yeah, I don't feel like I didn't bring a lot of stuff, but my husband says otherwise. We just checked out. Rushed. Yeah, literally on the dot. Can you see my outfit? No, you can't. I'll show you later. You look cute. To like a museum. Those are my in-laws, and then that's the museum. I don't know if we're gonna go to it. It is currently like 12:30. I think we're just gonna get some lunch, or we're thinking about either getting some lunch and then just heading back home, or we might go to the museum. I don't know. So I think we're just gonna kind of wait and see what we're gonna do. Just be around and then head home soon, because we do have church tomorrow. I have to prep, unpack everything. I need to do some laundry when I get back, and then we also have to rehearse for Sunday tomorrow. No big plans for later today other than just going home, but always driving on the road always gets you tired. It gets me tired, so I'm hoping we could just go soon. Hi.
Subsies.
Here.
My hair, oh man.
I'm gonna walk around a bit and see what we find. I'm gonna explore, basically. This is my outfit. I don't think you can see it that well. Oh, I'm going. There's my husband and his family. It's so beautiful outside. Wait, I forgot my drink. What? Oh, these are cute. Are these shorts or are they pants? With the pink top. That's cute. Pretty. That's pretty. This is my outfit. This book there is so cute. I'm just saying, Main Street books. So right. Ooh, pretty. Well, this is very pretty, actually. Okay, we got a matcha. Not the best color, I'm not gonna lie. But
it tastes better than what it looks.
Yeah, it tastes pretty good. We are stopping by this one, this Mexican restaurant for lunch really quick. And then we're gonna head home after this, probably. It's like 1 or 2 p.m. So.
Not at all.
I'm ready to take a nap.
It's a matter of knowing. He would have been on board. Couple squad, bro. You know? Joe, Jay. From the what? What's the issue? Tissue?